Hi, I'm Larry Martin, Martin Door Manufacturing. I want to show you the plant where we manufacture the world's finest and safest garage door. Come on in. Not only do we manufacture the world's finest and safest garage door, our unique manufacturing process will give you anything you want in 48 hours or less. Any size, any option, and most colors, even pink doors. We call this process maximizing the flow of production, or FlowMax. Our manufacturing processes also conform to ISO 9001 version 2000 standards. We were the first garage door manufacturer in the world to conform to this high quality standard. And we continue to make safer garage doors, including finger shield, low profile hinges, no large holes in the track with rolled edges, and roller shields. A continuous shield protecting the track brackets. And of course, a safer spring system with a lock-on bearing bracket and a lock-on bottom bracket. Not only do we say that the Martin doors are safe, now Underwriters Laboratory has examined the Martin door and opener system. Martin Door is the first door manufacturer worldwide to make a full line of not only openers, but an opener garage door system that together carry the distinguished UL listed label. Martin doors are safer doors. But you already know all of that. What I want to show you today is how we make these doors. Here is the Martin Door manufacturing plant in operation. That's how we do it. And to make sure it's right, we do continual testing. This door went over 325,000 cycles before the door opener failed. That is 30 times greater than industry standard. And a lot of what we do requires special machines, which we had to design and build ourselves. And of course, nothing runs in the plant without a comprehensive maintenance program. We have the best program in the business, with over a 99.5% machinery uptime. And finally, there are the people, all of them dedicated to just one thing: pleasing you, getting your door built just like you want it and shipped on the day you say. And we do that with almost perfect 100% on-time shipping. And besides all of these production folks you are seeing, this business just would not run without all of the other manufacturing support services, beginning, of course, with sales. So there you go. Safety, quality, variety, options and on-time shipping. Martin Doors, the world's finest and safest garage doors. So when you have time, come and take a personal tour. Oh, and when you do, just tell them Larry Martin sent you.